If you have 5 minutes, that's all the time you'll need to whip up grilled chicken cutlets with summer succotash, an amazing fat and calorie burning recipe. That's right, it burns calories. Certain foods like chicken have a high thermic effect. That means you literally scorch calories as you chew because your body has to work harder to break them down. In fact, picking the right foods can help you burn up to 300 extra calories every day. This recipe also contains lima beans, which have resistant starch, a type of carbohydrate that can stimulate hormones to help your body burn fat. So set your timer. In just 5 minutes, you can make a healthy, calorie-burning meal. Place a grill pan over high heat and season 4 thin chicken cutlets, about 1 pound total, with a 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and pepper. Grill until the chicken is cooked through, turning once, about 3 to 4 minutes total. Meanwhile, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add in 1 cup of thawed frozen baby lima beans, a 1/2 cup of corn, and 1 pint of grape tomatoes. Sauté the vegetables for 3 to 4 minutes until the tomatoes burst. Stir in 1 tablespoon grated Parmesan and a 1/2 cup of fresh basil leaves. Tear them into smaller pieces before adding if they're large. Serve the chicken with the lima bean mixture and pair each portion with lemon wedges and a small whole wheat roll. You did it! An amazing calorie-burning chicken recipe ready in just 5 minutes. For more healthy recipes, check out health.com.